Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and making the simplest fixes first. Check the case charge level and that each AirPod sits fully in its well. Poor contact prevents charging. Once done, swap in the original lightning cable or a proven cable and adapter, and try a different wall outlet or USB port to rule out the charger. If the case remains unresponsive, look inside the lightning port for lint or corrosion, because physical obstruction is a common cause of no charge. Next, perform hands-on troubleshooting focused on connectors and software. Carefully clean the case and AirPod contacts with a 70% isopropyl swab to remove oils and lint. Avoid liquids pooling. Then connect AirPods to your iPhone and check for a firmware update in Bluetooth settings. Firmware can fix charging logic. Also test wireless charging if you have a Gen 2 case with wireless support, and systematically try different cable and adapter combinations to isolate whether the issue is cable, adapter. Finish with resets and escalation if needed. Force reset the case by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes, then repair to your device because resets recover stuck charging states. If only one AirPod fails, swap left/right to check the bud versus the case contact. If the case or AirPods still won't charge after these steps, make an appointment with Apple support. Battery or PCB faults require service or replacement, which is the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.